OLFA is giving away 500 of these utility blades, and if you're in the trades, you know that the perfect cut starts with a sharp blade. I've recently been using these knives. It's the 18mm OLFA LAX utility knife, and I've been using it in lieu of my fixed utility knife blade that I've been using forever. What I like about these OLFA blades is it's heavy-duty construction knife. It's not a cheap knife. It has a secure rubber grip for gripping, and there's even a metal pick on the end. I was trying to figure out what it was for. It's great for opening paint cans or putty cans, even taking a light switch plate off in a pinch. OLFA is the original technology holder of the snap blade, and the blades are made from high quality Japanese high carbon tool steel, kind of like the samurai sword, but not really. Just kidding. All kidding aside, these ultra sharp black utility premium blades, they're honed to a 59-degree edge angle, making them 25% sharper than the standard silver blades on snap knives. This precise angle and initial sharpness delivers a super clean cut, smooth cut for almost any application. Leather, rubber, I was using it to scribe a little bit of wood molding. And each one of these 18mm blades comes with 8 different snap-off blades. So you simply use pliers, snap them off, and you've got a fresh edge. And changing the knife is easy. You just slide it to the back, there's a little tab, and boom, you're done. Quick, easy, tool-free. So here's the best part. OLFA wants to put a utility knife like this in a bunch of pros' hands, bunch of pro tradesmen. They're giving away 500 of these knives to the first 500 people that request one. In order to get your own OLFA LAX utility knife, simply click on the link in the video description below. That's it, guys. I hope you get one of these. Check it out. It's well worth it. I'm liking mine.